Hello everyone, today we have new video review and this time we have a chance to check kit from Eduard. So as usual, first let me invite you to check another video review with Eduard kit which you can find here, and of course don't forget to visit our website which you can find on this link. So for today kit, as you can see, it's Yak-3 in 1/48 scale. It's a weekend edition kit. So there are two marking options included into this kit. Of course there are no any extras in form of PE or masks, so just only plastic, decals and assembly manual inside. As you can see, box is not that big. Here you can see comparison with my hand size, and I can even show you that new Focke-Wulf 190 A5 is bigger than this box, even though this kit is 72nd scale model, but this one we'll review in the different video review. So, as for this kit, the package is quite typical. On the sides we can find a marking guide, and this is a top opening box. Just give me a second to remove the top lid. And here you can see the contents. So there is a lot of space, no worries about possible damage, because everything is, let's say, has space to move and won't be scratched or broken after rough shipment. So on the top we have the first plastic sprue. It's a transparent frame which is molded as a circular transparent frame, and here we have parts for the canopy and for some interior elements. As you can see, canopy is given in two different types, so we have a closed version and also open version, so you can replicate them on your aircraft. Next we have two plastic sprues molded out of great plastic. Here you can see them, and they are packed into one plastic bag. So just give me a second to open them and we'll check them closer. Okay, so first plastic sprue is dedicated to fuselage halves. As you can see, parts division is quite typical, so we have a left and right half which are molded together with tail segment and rudder. Also here we have parts for the wheels. Actually those are halves. Each wheel should be assembled out of two halves. Then we have separately molded cooling panel, so at least in this area you won't have any seams, which is quite nice. Also air intake is also molded as a one piece, and here we have some parts for the landing gear. Note that propeller blades are molded separately, so we will have to spend some time with alignment. Here we have also some parts for the propeller. And what else? Inside fuselage you can find some really simple cockpit detailing. Here you can see it closer. And of course, if you want better detailing, you have to buy a separate PE set, or maybe even some resin aftermarket. Also note that there are no position pins inside fuselage halves, so you will have to do alignment with your own hands. The second plastic sprue is dedicated to wing parts. Here parts division is also quite typical. We have one bottom half and one top half. Note that top part is molded together with cockpit floor, so you will have to paint it in order to get a nice result for the cockpit in this aircraft. Also here we have some minor parts for the cockpit and also the tail landing gear wheel. Of course, flaps and ailerons are pre-molded, so you won't be able to shape them in any other position. And the same can be said about the wheel wells, which are molded together with lower wing half. Next we have assembly manual. This one is quite simple brochure with parts map on the first page. Then there is assembly process explained with help of those nice schemes. And then we have marking guide for two marking options. It is printed in color and paint numbers are given in Gunzi designations. And last but not the least is a separate plastic bag with decal sheet. Just give me a second to open it. Here it is. As you can see, it's printed in Eduard, and it features decals for the dashboard, for belts, and for, of course, for 2 marking options including stencils. Printing quality is quite nice, but they might require some careful application because they're very thin and it's easy to tear them. So that's all for this video review. Of course, I will be happy to hear your opinion in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video review. Bye!